Hello everyone, this is Payal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about benefits of tomato. Tomato has lots of benefits. It has vitamin C and vitamin E. It is a super antioxidant. It helps prevents blood clots, helps digestion, and it's a great recovery from a good workout and lots more. It's very easy to make tomato juice at home. The best is you can take 2 tomatoes, grind it in a mixer, add some water in it to make it like this liquidy, and you can drink the whole glass in the morning or after your workout. Vitamin C is supposed to be taken before breakfast, so it's the best if you take it in the morning. It will show the best of results. So I enjoy my tomato juice almost every day to get a beautiful skin and a healthy life. So I'm gonna enjoy my tomato juice, and if there is a bit of pulp left, I can put it on my skin and get a flawless skin. See you next time guys. Enjoy your tomato drink. Bye bye.